just got done building 2 more houses. We've got 4 houses for sale here. We just laid 20 pallets of sod, put out 20 bales of hay right here, put a bunch of straw and seed down, and it is time to get these things done and listed. Mr. Jerry, you might show up on YouTube. You know what YouTube is?
Yeah.
You know what that is? You mind if I put you on there?
Well, I don't
You're gonna be famous.
Well, yeah.
Hey, I was gonna tell you, since we did all this work, obviously we're watering this side right now, but if you wanna water this side of your property, just use our water so you ain't running up your water bill, because we're the ones that did the work. See what I'm saying? So when we're not watering on this side with this water spigot, you just get this one hook in here, because that's gonna make your water bill go up.
Yeah.
So don't do that. But we just want to make sure we get this front part.
Get yours.
Yeah,
I
and then
use mine when y'all don't use
okay,
that.
yeah. So just use it, even if it's all the time. Like if you're here on Sunday and we're not here, water whatever you need to.
I watered this down here, and I'm not, John come up, but I talked to him for a long time. And I come out there, and that water was running down in the ditch. I'd flooded it.
Oh wow.
So I don't
That's a
know
lot
how
of
much
water. Yeah.
I don't know how much water the grass seed went down through there.
Well, we need to just reseed it a little bit, kind of throw some more on it, and we'll see if it gets on there. How many hours you said?
I guess I had it about 2 hours.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I had to move it 2 or 3 times,
Yeah.
you know, on it.
Okay.
But
What do you think? How'd it turn out?
turned out good.
Turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
That's the microphone.
Oh, okay.
I think your side is going to be a lot less damp too.
Yeah.
Now that it's got that crest to kind of go over, it used to just seem like it sat here.
Yeah.
Paul said that your grass is going to be growing in about a week the way you water it. Okay, well we're going to go around back.
All right.
Just keep an eye on it. If you see we're not using this side, just go ahead and hook up over here,
Okay.
and you're good to
I
go.
closed all them vents.
Okay.
Jason was spraying over.
Oh,
in
I
it,
got you. I
wasn't
got
doing
you.
the vents.
Yeah.
He
Thank you,
just
sir.
All
We
right.
appreciate it.
Thank
You're gonna be on TikTok and stuff. That's our neighbor here, y'all. His yard was actually a little damp over here over the years, so what we decided to do was regrade it, give him a nice little swale right here coming off our property. Able to get this looking nicer. We're gonna go around back, show y'all what's going on over here. The house has actually turned out beautiful. We got Ross the boss right here. Now been employed for almost, what is it, about 8 months, give or take?
Something like that.
Okay. Yeah. We asked him how he felt working for us. First of all, that chicken needs to chill, or rooster needs to chill. Third of all, we asked him how he felt working for NPS, and what was the word he used? I can't remember. Do you remember, Ross, what you said?
It was decent.
Decent. The word was decent. Imagine hearing that, right? We're going to go back and say, Ross, how does it feel working for NPS at this point?
Praise God, it feels amazing. It feels good.
That's what the answer we're looking for right there. Praise God, it feels amazing. It feels good. Good is the enemy of great. We're going to turn that into great one day. But for now, praise God, it feels amazing. It's pretty darn great.
Yeah, I agree.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Let's go inside, y'all. We're going to show you a quick little glimpse of the finishes in here. I want you to make some guesses what you think. These are still under construction. I'll kind of turn the lights on just a little bit here. But you can see we got stain beams up top. We got stain beams over here, shiplap, electric fireplace. You can see how the kitchen looks right here. Absolutely beautiful soft close cabinets with the gold trim right there. We got a nice 2-car garage. A lot of extra material that we still got to return, but this is the gist of it. I wanted y'all to see what this looks like. We'll even jump into the master bathroom real quick. Let's see if I can get there faster than Paul. Don't fall. But check this out. Beautiful work in here. Look at this tile work. Look at these cabinets. A little dirty right now. This is the construction process. We got to get it cleaned up. What we got here? Buenos dias. Yes, sir. Buenos dias. We got the tile guy doing a great job. Beautiful work. Let me know in the comments. What are we paying here? What do you think this costs? What does it cost in your city? Drop a comment of your city, your state. Let us know what you're building per square foot. And that's it. Smile more, worry less, stay blessed. See you in the next video. Peace out.